Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I had my cat since Christmas, so for like 2 months now, and I haven't bathed him since because I'm scared and I don't know how it's gonna work out. I have his little treats right here. I just went to the store and I got some pet shampoo. I think this is for dogs, but I don't think it's really any different. Okay, so I'm gonna fill up the bathtub. I really don't know what to do. I'm gonna put some towels on the floor. I'm gonna wrap my hair up. I have on a thick shirt. I have on 2 layers of pants. Have some socks. I have some, I gotta get the gloves. I have some gloves to wash them with. So if you try to scratch my hands, I have the gloves on. So I'm trying to be completely covered because I'm not trying to get scratched. I did cut his nails, most of them, but I don't know. We about to be covered, okay? Hopefully he be nice. Come on, Marley. Hi, Marley. Hi, the pretty kitty. Oh, this is Marley. I usually don't let him be in the bathroom because I thought maybe that'll make him want to stay in the bathroom when it's actually time to, you know, do what it's gonna be doing. So that's why he's looking around like, oh, what's this place? Because he's not allowed to come in here. You see? Okay, all right. Okay guys, pretty much ready. I just gotta get my cat. So I have the gloves right here. You see, this is what I was talking about. So I'm gonna put these on. I have water and soap in here. I hope it's enough. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I got the blow dryer ready. I have the towels. Okay. I have his treats. I have my mask because we need to be safe around here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I think I'm ready. All I need is the cat. Oh my god. I am so scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. It shouldn't be bad. I don't know if he ever had a bath in his whole life, to be honest. I hope he has. And I've been using waterless shampoo on him. So it's not like I haven't been doing anything to clean him. So I just have waterless shampoo. But he needs to be in real water, okay? Not waterless. He needs some water. Okay, on that fur. Let me see if he comes. Maybe I'll get him a treat. I'm supposed to get him a treat with these gloves. I can't open it. Oh look, he's here. Hi, Marley. Yeah. You want a treat? I can close the door on him. Okay, he's in here. Let me get him a treat. So, here. Kitty. It would just be so much easier if he would just get in the water himself, you know? You know what I mean? Got the shampoo. I'm just showing y'all stuff over and over because I don't want to do that. I don't want to do this. Look at that pretty kitty. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah. It's okay. I can't breathe. It's okay. Isn't that pretty kitty? Marley, it's okay. Marley. Okay. Oh my god. It's okay, Marley. Come here. Y'all, if y'all have any tips on how to make this easier, if y'all got pets, please let me know. Oh, he's scared. Oh no. It's okay. Oh no. Oh, I feel so bad. It's okay, kitty. Come here, boo boo. Come on, Marley. It's okay. Oh my God. I don't think. Do y'all see this? He already cut through the dang glove. Like how? Yeah, this is not gonna work out. Okay. Alrighty. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay, Marley. Oh, no. Oh, it's okay. Oh, no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I know. I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. That pretty kitty. Oh, you okay? I know. It's okay. It's okay. Marley, they can call the police. Stop. You can't scream like that. Don't it feel good? Yeah. Yeah. Huh. It's okay, Marley. You know, other people make this seem so much easier. I know. I know. Oh, he's gonna hit me forever. Marley, it's okay. It's okay. No? It's okay. Good kitty. Oh, yeah, you a good kitty. That pretty. Ah, don't bite me. Let me see. Good kitty. See, it's not bad. Yeah, look at that good kitty. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, look it. Yeah. See? It feels good. I don't think he ever had a bath before. Cause he. Uh-oh. Hi, kitty. Yeah. Just calm me down. I'm about to jump for it again. Okay. I'm tired. There we go. Yeah. Look at good kitty. You like it? Yeah. Okay. I think we're done. We are almost done. Stop acting up. It's okay. It's fine. Okay? Marley, we was doing good. What happened? Okay. Woo. 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 Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, okay. kitty. Now, what? We gotta try to blow dry him, okay? This is not gonna be easy. He's okay. I'm done. I let him free. I blow dried him. That took like a long time. That took like at least 30 minutes to blow dry him. He stopped crying after a while. He was just chilling. He just had to get used to it. When I opened the door, I thought he was just gonna like run and hide. He didn't. He just was walking real slow. He was like, yeah, like he wanted me to follow him. That was a lot of work, but I'm happy I did it. So now I just gotta clean up everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share this video, and please subscribe, okay? And I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you. Hi, Marley. Yeah. Yeah, you're such a pretty kitty.